As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So, we're looking at two propane grills today, right? The ChuMaste and the Weber Traveler. Big price difference right off the bat. The ChuMaste is only $168.99, while the Weber is a hefty $449.
Yeah, that's a significant jump. Is the Weber really worth that much more?
Well, let's dig into the specs. The ChuMaste has 3 burners putting out 30,000 BTUs, while the Weber only has 1 burner with 12,000 BTUs. So, on paper, the ChuMaste seems more powerful.
Okay, so more heat with the ChuMaste. What about cooking space?
The ChuMaste boasts 464.8 square inches, whereas I don't see the Weber Traveler cooking space mentioned.
That's a point for ChuMaste then. But hold on, the Weber is designed to be portable, right?
Exactly. It's called the Traveler for a reason. It's much lighter at 32 pounds compared to the ChuMaste's 51.92 pounds, and it's designed to fold down for easy transport. The ChuMaste has wheels, but it's still bulkier.
Portability is key for me. I often grill at parks and beaches. What about build quality and materials?
The ChuMaste uses stainless steel burners and has a powder-coated finish. The Weber uses porcelain-coated steel. Weber's known for its quality, so I'd expect the Traveler to last longer, even though the ChuMaste also uses stainless steel.
And what do the reviews say?
The Weber has a higher rating, 4.6 stars, with over 1,300 reviews, while the ChuMaste has 4.1 stars with only 67 reviews. ChuMaste's reviews mention some issues with build quality.
Okay, that's telling. So the ChuMaste is cheaper and has more raw power and cooking space, but the Weber is more portable, likely better built, and has much better reviews. It sounds like you pay extra for the brand reputation and the convenience of a truly portable design.
Pretty much. If you're on a tight budget and mostly grill at home, the ChuMaste might be okay. But if you need something that's easy to take on the go and you're willing to spend the extra cash, the Weber Traveler seems like the better choice, despite the lower BTU output.
Makes sense. Thanks for breaking it down.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.